Hey, so I realized that I showed you how to set up a paragraph style, but I didn't tell you how to change it globally after after the fact, basically. So if you're creating a booklet and you decide, I want to change the alignment of all of the headline paragraph styles that I applied to the different headlines that I made. You could also do a headline probably with a character style as well. Might actually work a little bit better, but I think a paragraph style works too for a headline. So like this is my headline paragraph style that I made. I have my text box selected here, but that it contains my headline for my piece. But if I double click on that, I can actually go in here and go into the basic character formats, and I can change my font. I can change the font sizes, the leading, some of the basic things. And I can even change, I think somewhere in here, you can change the alignment. So you can kind of go through here and add things, change things, and then just push OK. So let's say maybe I want the alignment to be a little different. Maybe I want it to be left aligned. So if I push OK, that will change every single instance of that paragraph style in my document. And so if I have like a 30-page book, that's going to be obviously a good way to do it. And that's why paragraph styles are so nice. But anyways, I wanted to go over how you would actually change or edit a paragraph style. And the character styles will be very much the same. You double click on the name, and then you can go in and edit the character style. And I'm sure the same goes for any kind of object style as well. So, all right, that's it.